What's happening? What's happening? And we're back. It's been a minute since I did a trade recap. Been pretty much focused on the Discord group and our Signal program. This was indeed a Signal call, and this is AU. We had an AU buy for about 70 pips. This trade is currently still open, but I'm just going to break down how we got to this point. So you can see here, we created a level of supply. We traded away from it, and then we bounced back to this level. We then came back with the retracement and tapped this level of supply, got more orders, and broke back down. Now we're still in the overall uptrend. Well, excuse me, I won't want to say an uptrend, a short-term uptrend situation after this huge sell-off here. So once this zone was respected and we came back, we then dropped off here. We respected this level, so I said, okay, we failed to break and come back through, so let's see what happens, and based on the US dollar losing strength, we could potentially go long. So that's basically what happened. We came back, we broke through, boom. We started trading back above this level here. And since we know that the sells were triggered from this level, we could potentially come back to this level, reject it for the third time, or the third time could get the push to come back through. And like this is basically the area where I re-entered, I believe. What time is this during the day? Yep. The 8th at 1 p.m. is about when I started to re-enter. And we began to take off from there, slowly but surely. And if you notice, when it was time to break through, we got that huge momentum candle. And that's when we got our 70-point move there. Again, my target right now is 100 pips, but my overall target is in this area here, which would be about 160 pip. If we blow through it, potentially a 200 pip move. We are still in this buy, and if we get another opportunity, we will trigger another buy in the signal room, which is pretty exciting. Keep stacking those orders on the way to our main target, and I'll definitely be doing more of these. It's definitely been a minute. Be sure to check out my weekly analysis videos when I do put them out, called Mailbox Money. They're kind of bi-weekly or weekly depending on my schedule. It really depends. Again, if you want some signals, hit Starfish Prime, join our free Discord group. This is what it looks like. And you can get chart analysis and different things, course submissions, free learning tab where you can learn a bunch of great tips and tools about trading for free. We have free webinars in here. So by joining, you definitely get a lot of value, and it's completely free to join up. We also do have advanced rooms, and then we do have the Signal program. I'll show you what that looks like here. And you see here, we're just doing numbers. We're doing numbers. Signals are going. Last week we killed it. So definitely want to sign up and get in there. Sign up and join our free group at least. And we'll see you soon. Thanks a lot.